That is so cool. Wow. Oh, get two.
หัวใหญ่
Wow. Wow. Sorry. Make it look easy. Thank you.
ครับ
Very cool.
เล็กน้อยนึง
Thank you. Cool, huh? That is cool how she makes them. You can see it's got ridges in it, yeah? I've shown these before and they've always been dipped in a batter and they're very good. This one costs 30 baht, it's the big one. That is about $1 US. Very light. Very light is my first impression. Really cool how they do it though. Nice old people too. Just happy to share what they're doing. So impressed that I was interested in what they were doing. I got barbecue flavored seasoning on these. Really good. I think it'd be better if they're hot. But really, really nice. Never know what you're going to see in the Thai market. These used to be really popular. Not quite this style. Oh, that's good. Addictive. Alright guys, there it is. Tornado potato made with a cordless drill. Grandma's done that before. You can bet on that. She makes it look easy. She's the fastest. I've seen a lot of people do this over the years. She is by far the fastest that I've seen. And the only one with a drill. Must be popular here. They had a pile of them there. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I do have another video on these if you want to check it out. A little bit different design. They use a batter. Both versions are good. Oh yeah. Kids are waving.